Away they go. Sir Bombs, no money, no honey. Sweet and gorgeous out of water outside missional. Then here comes Lucky Touch alongside his Think Tank. McDollar is racing from the outside. Rounding the far turn. No money. No honey, followed by Sweet and Gorgeous, Miss Chanel. Moving up down on the inside is Lucky Touch, Think Tank, McDollar. Sa totoo lang, running down on the inside, Rival Gods, Mr. Saber. As they race the final corner. No money, no honey, this time by some 2 lengths, followed by Sweet and Gorgeous, running by the Lucky Touch, Think Tank, and Missional River Gods, McDollar, Showmaster, and nearing the finish line, no money, no honey. And finally, number 2, no money, no honey, Think Tank, Sweet and Gorgeous, McDollar, and for your Fanta Fecta, number 11, Showmaster.